So, Thorsten, show us what you've got.
So this is the Dev Alpha device that we handed out by 6,000 pieces to our application developer community. And the reason why we did this was to allow them to test the software development toolkits and start building applications against Blackberry 10. So
turn it on.
you fire it on, right? So this is your start screen. There's some information already on it, right? So what's my next appointment, for example?
Right.
Immediate access to the camera, and it also tells you how many messages is already in my Blackberry hub.
Okay.
So you want to get it active, you just do a simple swipe. You see the control. You see the control of it, right? So it's not just a touch; it actually blends over, right?
What's your message to people who've gone elsewhere, who've got an iPhone or an Android phone?
So the integration of various applications into what we in Blackberry 10 call the Blackberry Flow, that is the theme of Blackberry 10. So what you will not see, or not you will see it but you will not use it, is the application grid. 5 years ago, the user paradigm that got introduced was applications and an application grid, and you go in and out. We changed this to a whole new level. What you do is you have various applications open at the same time. They run real-time multitasking, and you live in your multitasking space. And it's really easy to navigate from one working application to the other. Second big theme is the Blackberry Hub. This is where all your notifications come together. So it's not just an aggregator of social network or emails. It's really a time event-based aggregator. And everything happens within the hub. And you can go from everywhere. You can take any action you want out of this hub without calling any other application. Let me give you an example. Facebook is part of that hub. You want to reply to a Facebook message. You don't have to open Facebook as an application. It can even be closed. Still, you type it, you send it, and it appears to the recipient as a Facebook message on their desktop or whatever they use as a device.
Isn't the problem, though, that this Blackberry 10 system is just coming too late? By the time it comes out, everybody else will have moved on. We've got to wait till next year before this new system comes out. It'll be too late.
I don't think so. Quality matters. And again, we're not just building a new update of a BlackBerry 7. We're building a whole new mobile computing platform. Don't underestimate the dynamic that this platform is going to create in the market.
Isn't the other problem that you were the masters of the universe, you were the device that everybody wanted, and then you lost your cool? There was a piece in the New York Times last week where people were expressing embarrassment about having Blackberries. That's pretty damaging for your brand, isn't it?
I mean, 80 million users that are loyal and still growing, right? We grew our users by 2 million users last quarter, I think is a different testament than what you read in the New York Times. And, you know, without going into detail, I would also kind of question the sources that were used for that article. What I see in my markets, in the markets I'm in, outside of the US, huge growth, huge commitment to BlackBerry, and in the US, we're going to regain our market share with BlackBerry 10.